Hi friends, welcome to Healthy Fruit Juices. Today I'm going to show you a healthy fruit which is very good for your heart health, and it also improves your glowing skin, and it also useful for your diet. Means it helps to reduce your weight, and it helps to increase your teeth whitening, because malic acid present in the strawberries used to remove the stains present on the teeth, and it is packed with vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidant, and it is best for your gut health, and it is even good for your diabetic diets, and it's a brain booster, which means it increases your focus and memory. Now I'm going to show you a simple healthy strawberry juice with a minimum ingredients. So we can cut it into two pieces, and then we can easily cut it like this. The ingredients which we require for this simple recipe are cup of strawberries and little amount of water and little amount of milk. Here I'm using a semi-skimmed milk, and we need 1 teaspoon of honey and ice cubes. It's optional. If you want, you can use, otherwise you can skip that. The main benefit in this strawberries are it is rich in vitamin C, and it's a self sweetener. Means if you want to eat some sweets, we know it's a calorie, means sweets having a more calories, right? So when we choose this strawberry fruit, it's very beneficial, as it's automatically having more sweetness, so we can make it like a snack as well. So we can control our calorie intake. Actually, doctors call strawberries as a heart friendly fruit. Why? Because it's very useful for heart health, and it helps to immune, it acts as a immunity booster as well. And the preparation process is also very easy. We just need to peel off this green color one, and we just need to cut it into 4 pieces. Here, if you have any allergens for milk or dairy products, then you can skip that one as well, and you can make simply with the water, cool water, and with honey. It tastes very good, very well, and it's very helpful for your gut health as well. So just add these strawberry pieces into blender. You have to blend them into smooth. For 1 cup of strawberries, we need to add 50 ml of milk, 20 ml of honey, and little amount of sugar if you want, and 150 ml of water. If you want ice cubes, you can add ice cubes as well. I will make a juice. we have to mix it till getting this consistency, and it must completely blend it. We need to blend it till getting this much consistency, and it should be completely blended without any pieces, strawberry pieces. And then we can, now I'm going to taste it. It's very tasty, and it's very helpful for your health, and it's very easy to prepare. You try to make it at your home. Thanks for watching.